Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel 3F Street Project. So open the Excel 3F Street Project. So open the Excel 3F Street. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my MylTLab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So activity name is Excel 3F Street Project and Go 22 Excel Chapter 3 Graded 3F Homework Streets. Download the materials and click the download the all files. So go to the downloads and open the Word file and open the Excel file. So double click, open the Word files. So assignment title is Excel 3F Sheets and we move to the main project step. Total step is 17. So we move to the question number 1. So question number 1 is open the Excel workbook student Excel 3F Sheets. Excel is downloaded with this project. So go to the Excel worksheets. I have already downloaded the Excel 3F Sheets. So question number 1 is complete and we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is change the theme color to orange on the housing revenue in the range B3 to F3 and fill the year range with the value 2020 through 2024. So change the theme color to orange. Change the theme color to orange. Now go to the value tabs and go to the theme groups and theme color to orange. Theme color to orange, click OK. And next is on the housing revenue worksheets and in the range B3 to F3. So copy a range, go to the Excel worksheet and paste the range, press enter. So select the B3 to 2020. So type the 2020 and press enter. And next is 2024. So 2021 and press enter. Select the both range and copy the fill under 2024 in cell F3. So question number 2 is complete. We move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is in a cell C5 construct a formula to calculate the percentage of increase in the annual stream maintenance cost from 2022-2021 and format the result with the percentile and then fill the formula through cell F5 to calculate the percentage of increase in each year. So in cell C5 select the C5 and next is uh, formula to calculate the percentage of increase annual street maintenance and cost from 2020 to 2021 and format the result with the percentile and then fill the formula through F5 to calculate the percentage of increase in each year. So C5 construct a formula to calculate the percentage of increase in annual stream maintenance cost from 2020 to 2021. So select the C5 and type is equal to and next is C5 select the C4 minus B4 C4 minus B4 divided by B4 and press enter. And next is increase the annual state maintains the cost from 2020 to 2021. Format the result with the percent style and then fill the formula through cell F5. So apply the percent style. So go to the home tabs and go to the number groups and click the percentage. Apply the percent style and then fill the formula through cell F5. So copy a formula and paste the formula in cell F5 F5 to calculate the percentage of increase in each year. So question number 3 is complete. We move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is in the range B10 to F10 use the fill handle to enter the year 2024 through 2028 and use the format pointer to apply the format cell B3 to the range B10 to F10. In the range B10 to F10, so copy a range and paste the range, press enter. And next is use the fill handle to enter the year 2024 through 2028 and use the format pointer to apply the format from cell B3 to the range B10 to F10. So type the 2024 and press enter. 2024 and enters and type the 2025 and press enter. So select the both range 2024 to copy the formula in cell F10. And next is use the format pointer to apply the format cell B3 to the range B10 to F10. So select the B3 and copy the format pointers and paste the format pointer B10 to F10. So B10 to F10. So question number 4 is complete and we move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is copy the value in cell F4 to cell B11 in cell B8 type 5%, which is the projected increase the estimated by the city financial analyst to the range A8 to B8 and apply the bold and italics. So copy the value in cell F4. So type the F4, press enter and copy the value. And next is to cell B11. So select the B11 and paste the value. And next is in a cell B8 type the 5%. So press escape button and B10 is type 5%. So select the B8 is 5%, press enter. And next is projected increase the estimated by the city and financial to the range A8 to B8 apply the bold and italic. So copy the range and paste the range, press enter. And next is apply the bold and italics. So go to the home tabs, go to the font groups and click the bold and italics. So question number 5 is complete. We move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is in cell C11 construct a formula to calculate the annual projected street maintenance cost for the year 2025 after the projected increase of 5% in supply and use the absolute cell reference as a necessary. Fill the formula through cell F11 and then use the format pointer to copy the formatting from a cell B11 to the range C11 to F11. So in cell C11, so type the C11, press enter. And next is construct a formula to calculate the annual projected and street the maintenance cost for the year 2025 after the projected increase of 5% is applied and use the absolute cell reference as a necessary and fill the formula through cell F11 and then choose the format pointer to copy the formatting in cell B11 to the range C11 to F11. So select the C11 and type is equal to, and next is B11 multiply by 100% plus select the B8 plus the absolute reference, close bracket and press enter. And next is fill the formula through cell F11 and then choose the format pointer to copy the formatting from cell B11 to the range C11 to F11. So copy a formula C11 to F11. So question number 6 is complete. And we move to the question number 7. So question number 6 is complete, and we move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is use the format pointer to copy the format from a cell A7 to cell A13 and copy the range B10 to F10 and paste the selection B40 to F14. So select the A7 and press enter. So select the A7 and copy the format pointers and to cell A13. So select the A13 and next is copy the range B10 to F10 and then paste the selection B40 to F14. So copy the range B10 to F10, paste the range, press enter and click the copy. And next is paste the selection in cell B40 to F14, B40 to F14 and press escape button. So question number 7 is complete. We move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is copy the range B11 to F11 and then paste the value and number formatting to the range B50 to F15. Complete the projected estimate section of the worksheet by changing the projected increase in cell B8 to 3% and then copying the pasting the value and number formatting to the shared range in the worksheet and save your workbook. So copy the range B11 to F11 and paste the range, press enter, click the copy. And next is paste the value and number formatting B50 to F15. So select the B50 to F15s and value and number formatting. So go to the clipboard groups and value and number formatting, click OK, value and number formatting, and complete the projected estimate section of the worksheet by changing the projected increase in cell B8 to 3%. So select the B8 and press enter and type the 3%, press enter. And next is and then copy the paste value, number formatting and range and save your workbook and click the save your workbook. So question number 8 is complete. We move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is and select the row 6 to 20 and then insert the same number of blank row as you selected it. Clear the formatting from the inserted row by using the data in A4 to F4. Insert the line with the marker charts and move the charts so that the upper left corner is positioned in cell B7 and visually centers under the data above. So select the row 6 to 20, 6 to 20, right click and click the insert. So insert the row 6 to 20 and same number of blank row You selected it and clear the formatting from inserted row, and by using the data A4 to F4, so copy arrange and paste the range, press enter A4 to F4 and insert the line with the marker charts on the worksheet. So go to the insert tabs and go to the recommended charts and click the all charts. Insert the line with the marker charts and insert the line with the marker charts. Click OK. Insert the line with the marker charts and move the chart so that upper left corner position in cell B7. So move and drag the chart in cell B7 and center under the data above. So question number 9 is complete. We move to the question number 10. So question number 10 is display the cell data sources dialog box and added the horizontally category axis label using the range that contain the year in cell B3 to F3. Format the bound of the vertical value axis, minimum value and measured units. So select the data. Display the data source. So go to the data and select the data source dialog box and added the horizontally axis labels and choosing the content in the range B3 to F3. So chart data range is cell B3 to F3. So axis label using the range is content B3 to F3. Horizontally category axis is label using the range content B3 to F3 and click OK. And next is format the bound of vertical value axis to minimum is. So copy a value and select the vertical axis, right clicks and click the format axis and minimum axis. So select the minimum and press enter. And next is measure units. So copy a value and select the measure units and press enter. Sorry. So copy the vertical axis minimum, press enter and measure unit is. So copy a value and so question number 10 is complete. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my MylTLab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses with accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and use your exam.